Hey, it's Kayla from Planning with Kay, back with episode 3 of my Easy Weekly Header series. Today I'm going to show you 10 different Wednesday headers using just 2 basic journaling supplies, a simple black brush pen, along with a colored marker. I'm using my Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip brush pen today, along with a Crayola Supertip, and I got a suggestion to also include dates with some of these videos. I know that some people have a hard time figuring out ways to cohesively write the day of the week along with whatever the date is. So I'm giving you 10 examples with these Wednesday headers of how to seamlessly incorporate your dates with your weekly headers. Again, I'm really focusing on making all of these headers pop off the page by using different types of fonts, different layering techniques, really getting creative with how I use my pen and my marker together. I think this is my favorite episode yet. Let me know which of these headers is your favorite down in the comments below, and stay tuned for episode 4.